I am here in the Shrine of Our Lady of Manawag at the back, and let's proceed to this exhibits, and let us ask the Aseret. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, may I know your name?
Father, I'm Imelda Fabia, Father.
Okay, Imelda. So what is inside?
You come inside, Father, and you will see.
Okay, so
As you
we.
come here inside, Father, you can see the old replica mantle of Our Lady of Manawag, and then we have also the dresses. These are the latest dresses that Our Lady of Manawag wore.
Okay.
And
The
beside,
perfumes.
Father, the perfume is donated by our devotees.
Uh-huh. These are all the old manto of the Blessed Virgin Mary of Manawan.
Yes, Father, and these are the latest, Father.
Uh-huh. So, as you can see, this has been donated by Lloyd
Lloyd
Arceo
Arceo, Father.
here.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Chudora Makashe.
And this one also donated by
Chudora
Chudora Makasi. Okay. And here also is donated by Jess Coneta and family. Okay, and here is donated by Chudora Lim. Okay, and here the mantle is donated by Suzuki Lee. Here. And then we also have here mantle donated by Sherry de la Cruz Rablas.
Yes. Covarrubias.
Coro Covarrubias. Okay. And here, so
Maria
Lourdes
Garcia
Garcia
Lee
Lee
and
and family.
This is the latest.
And this is the latest.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh. And this has been worn by the lady last month. And this one also a mantle by Mr. and Mrs. Alberto Powa and family
From Baguio.
from Baguio. And here also mantle donated by Francisca Salamat. Okay. And also here we have mantle donated by Beth Cynthia. And here also by Ricardo and Joshua Makasiin. Okay. So here are all okay exhibits here in Manawag, Pangasinan. So come, pray, and you will have it because Our Lady is calling you. Come to Manawag, Pangasinan.